Alright, thanks for tuning in, and today I'm going to expand my workshop. Enjoy. So here's an old tour of the original workshop. So the gas line and meter were recently removed, so this will allow me to move my workbenches up against the wall. Alright, so before I show you the finished workshop, I want to point out how I use these new bins I bought from Target for 99 cents each. These are really nice because I can store all different types of things in here and they're really organized. Alright, so I have all these bins on top of my workbench. This works out really nice because I can store all the common items I would use in the workshop in a pretty accessible location, and they're really organized too, which works out really nice. So just a thing I wanted to show people just to give others ideas. Alright, so here's our original workbench. This really hasn't changed too much. I just kept that the same because there's really no need to touch it. So over here, here's the new and improved workshop. I have these two benches that are just moved up against the wall. And over here we have our 3D printer. And that workbench back there, that's more or less just storage. And now we have so much more room in front of our workbench, which is nice. It totals to about 40 square feet, roughly. So that's really nice. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe right here. If you want to see another video, click right here. Goodbye.